Hello, this is Claude here. We're back again with another tutorial. This one is about adding team names to your t-shirts. So this could be a team name for a fitness club or a real estate agency, whatever it is, or a team name for games that you may be playing for your child's birthday coming up soon. So let's head off to the designer tab here where my cursor is, and we'll go to the designer. Once we are in the designer, we scroll down. I've already done added design, added text to the library. Now we'll add a team name here to a product that you have selected. We can change the size here. Say we go for medium, and we can make it 1 or 2 items you want to buy. You can add another size, so you can have multiple size t-shirts with different sizes. And add your team names to different team members. So once it happens here, you can go up here and say I'll put Tom, and then we can add another team name, and you can add a number here. Say we put number 1, add another team name for Phil, and team number 002, and we select sizes. I don't know, oh, you want to just view that one, and then we click OK. So here you got Tom. So maybe this number is too big here, so what we can do is reduce the number and pull it and put it here. So this could be a football or a soccer jersey that you've got coming up. Now just as an extra here, you could this is how everybody's t-shirts will be looking at as you go along. Add a team name. You can add other things up here if you want. What have we got here? We've got 2 quantities. Remember, we ordered 2 shirts. The total is $50 and $25 each. That's pretty good. You can change the product, so you can change the look. For example, you can scroll down here and pick something that suits you. So you might want a sleeveless t-shirt, and it becomes sleeveless. You just have to size it now a little bit. You can change the color, the font, the position. So experiment, and then once you've done that, you go to the buy button, and that's it. We'll print and ship to you. This is Claude from Custom T-shirt Printing, Brisbane. We do printing.